Welcome, I'm MyLinda, the founder of Tiny Oasis Decor. Our video series for the next 4 weeks will be about spring cleaning. I've created a free Small Space Spring Declutter Clean and Organize challenge guide that is linked in the description box to make this task a little more fun and less overwhelming. In week 1, we will focus on decluttering our spaces. Week 2, we will be doing the cleaning of our spaces. Week 3, we will be organizing the spaces. And then in week 4, we will discuss maintenance of your systems and self-care. If you haven't already, grab your free guide below. I promise there's something of value for everyone inside. Does your home ever feel like it's collecting more dust than memories? Let's fix that. I love a clean space. There's just something about walking in a room where the surfaces are clean, the air smells fresh, and everything feels like it can breathe again. But do I love the actual process of cleaning? Not exactly. Especially not when it takes hours and feels like it never ends. And in a small home, the irony is real. Mess builds up fast. But the second it's even a little out of control, the whole place feels off. That's why I don't believe in marathon cleaning days. I believe in smarter systems, little daily resets, and working with the rhythms of your space instead of fighting them. And if you're following along in the spring challenge, this is your next step. For the next 8 days, we're tackling one area of your home at a time, just one zone per day. Not the whole house, not from dawn to dusk, just manageable pieces that build up to a big transformation. So today, I want to walk you through how I clean my small space, efficiently, calmly, and without letting it take over the whole day. The first step to any good cleaning routine actually starts before you even grab a sponge or a spray bottle. I call it the reset. It's a 5 to 10 minute sweep of the space. You put things back where they belong, toss or recycle anything that needs to go, and clear off surfaces. In a small space, clutter doesn't just look messy, it feels messy. And more importantly, clutter hides dirt. So before you try to wipe down anything, just do a quick tidy. You'll clean faster, better, and probably with a better attitude too. Once your surfaces are clear, it's time to start cleaning smart. Always clean from the top down. Dust shelves before you wipe counters before you vacuum floors. Otherwise, you're just moving the mess around and doubling your work. And here's a little trick I use that makes a huge difference. Clean in zones, not rooms. Especially in small homes, rooms blend into each other. So instead of thinking I need to clean the kitchen, think sink, counters, stovetop. That's one zone. Then maybe you can tackle the floors. The bathroom, break it down. Mirror, faucet, countertop, and then toilet and shower. The point is to make this sustainable, small wins that build momentum. Over time, I've created a really simple, compact cleaning kit that keeps everything I need in one spot. Nothing over the top, no full closet required. Here's what I keep in mind. I keep a multi-surface spray that smells good. The more I enjoy it, the more I want to use it. Also a few microcloths. These work better than paper towels because they collect dust better and you don't risk running out of them. A small cordless vacuum or a broom and dustpan, depending on your flooring. A gentle glass cleaner or just vinegar and water. That's what I use to clean windows and mirrors. And occasionally a magic eraser or two for those mystery marks on the wall that we all pretend aren't there. If you're the type who avoids cleaning because it feels like a whole production, try keeping a version of this kit tucked into each zone. You'll be amazed how quickly wiping something down becomes second nature. Now, when it comes to small space cleaning, there are always a few little areas that people forget. And let me tell you, they add up fast. So here's your gentle reminder list of sneaky spots that need a little love. Light switches and door handles. Yes, we touch them constantly. No, we don't clean them enough. The fronts of your cabinets and drawers, especially in the kitchen. Grease and fingerprints build up before you even know it. Baseboards and floor edges. No need to scrub every week, but a quick wipe now and then keeps things from getting grimy. The top of your fridge. I know, but just check it once in a while. And your electronics. TV remotes, phone stands, even your laptop or tablet. A microfiber cloth does wonders on these. If you're feeling a little resistance about cleaning, sometimes it's about the vibe. Light a candle, open a window, play music that makes you want to dance, or a podcast that makes you feel inspired. Don't forget about those 2 playlists in the Spring Challenge Guide. Creating a little ambiance turns cleaning from a chore into a reset. It becomes less about scrubbing and more about reclaiming your space. And once you've cleaned an area, really cleaned it, you'll feel it. The energy shifts. You'll breathe deeper, move slower, and maybe even smile more. Because a clean home doesn't just look good, it makes you feel good. And in a small space, that energy shift is powerful. It makes your space feel bigger, more open, more like the peaceful little retreat it's meant to be. So here's your reminder. Don't try to do it all at once. Just follow the guide, 1 zone a day, 8 zones in 8 days, and every single day you'll feel the difference. You're not just cleaning, you're creating an oasis, one intentional step at a time. And when you're done with this phase of the challenge, come back and join me for the organizing video. That's where we take all this calm and cleanliness and turn it into a home that actually works with your daily life. Until then, happy cleaning, and remember, your space is worth caring for, and so are you. Until next time, bye-bye.